Welcome back, guys, to another section today where I'll be showing you exactly how to design any letter-headed document in just 3 minutes. We won't be taking much time in this. In just 3 minutes, you can do a very beautiful letter-headed design, and I'll go straight up into showing you exactly how to do that. As you already know, we will go over to freepik.com to get our resources. Right now, you are beginning to see how important Freepik is. It is very, very important. So you see the reason why I said if Freepik should go down today, so many graphic designers will be out of business. So let's get over to it. So if we go over to Freepik, what we just need to search for is what? Letterhead designs or templates. Search for letterhead templates. And we hit the enter key. We will look for a suitable template that is beautiful and that will be free. Okay, that should not be a problem. This one is paid. This one is paid. This one has both a business card, an invoice letterhead, and a regular letterhead. Okay, let's open this one. Let's see what we can do with this. Let's open this. This is not a letterhead. Alright, let's open this. Let's open this. So let's select out of these 4 one that will be very, very suitable for us. Let's see this one. Your site, lower experience, logo. So we are not interested in this text. We are not interested in the text. All we are interested in is just this header and the logo. This one does not have a place where we can put in address. So let's look for something simple. Okay, this is better. Logo, phone numbers, website, email, and address. I think that's the only thing we need on a letterhead. Let's put this on our mind first. We'll work with this, but let me see this one. This one still looks very, 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 very great. Very, very great. But let's work with this. So we'll just go over to download. Yes, our document have been downloaded, so all we need to do right now is open it, and we open the AI file. It is very, very easy. It's not difficult at all. So editing this letterhead should not be a challenge for anybody. So open the eps.eps file, talking about the fonts, open, and here you go, guys. This is our design. So you see that the design has a background. So I think the first thing we should do now is to ungroup. I'm sure you know what I mean by ungroup. Well, let's remove the background first. So click on the background, you just press delete, and the background will be what? Off. Delete, the background will be off. So we have the document remaining. So now, what is the size of a letterhead? As we know, a letterhead regularly comes on an A4 paper. So let's just go and create a new document. Come to File, create New. Once you create a new document, we'll name it Letterhead. So create the letterhead. So the size should be A4, orientation should be portrait. We don't need any bleed because it is just a letterhead. And we'll do what? Click on OK. And it is going to open a new A4 document for us. So we'll come over to this main job, copy everything here, copy, and we'll go over to our main job and we paste it here. Now, before you ungroup, you must drag the job, drag the design, make sure it fits very well on the A4 document. Drag this part, come over here, and drag this part. Yes, guys, I think we are all ready to go. So the next thing to do now is to copy all and ungroup everything. Once you ungroup, this one will be able to come out on its own. We can now delete this. We don't need that information. It is just this header and the footer that we need. So let's work on this logo. Let's remove this logo. Bring in our logo. You already know how to bring in your logo. Okay. So put in our logo here. Very, very easy. Now the next thing we want to work on, let me zoom this a little so we can see what we're doing very, very well. The next thing we want to work on is bringing in our phone number. So you see, we can just edit this. Plus 234 8169 234 576. And add another number 8153456678. Alright, so these are the 2 phone numbers we've added. The 2 phone numbers are well okay. We'll come over here, add our website link. Website link, we have www.vslconcepts.com, and down here our email is what? info@vslconcepts.com. You get it? info@vslconcepts.com. I think we're good to go. So let me zoom this out a little. Bring it to the side. So zoom this out to 100 so we see exactly what we're doing. Select 2. Alright guys, so we just need to work on the footer now, then our design is very good to go. So the address is what we want to change. Address. Address is 56 Country Home. Let me use capital letter. Road, Benin City. GRA, Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Yes, this is the address. So it is as easy as that, guys. And if you look at this critically, our letterheaded design is done. There is no need adding any other thing to it. Let me zoom out a little. 100. This is our design. Very perfect letterheaded design. Remember, you can decide to change these colors to make them look unique, to make them look in line with the logos. You can decide to change it, you can decide to leave it like that. So whatever you want to do, you can decide to do it easily. So guys, this is just a simple way to design a letterhead in just a very short time. Let me put it that way. So I really enjoyed this section with you. I hope you enjoyed this section with me too. And I am super excited the progress that you guys are making in this training. In fact, you all are doing absolutely well. Just few persons who have not submitted their projects and the rest of them, but you know, we expect that. But I really am amazed at the level of project, at the level of progress we have been having in this training. Right now, we'll be saving these documents and getting it ready to be printed. Okay? So now, we'll just go over to File, Save for Web. Just as usual, we save it either as a PNG or as a JPEG file. It can still be printed like that. But we can also decide to save it as a PDF file. We can also do that. I'll show you how to do that later. Yes, it's on high quality, and we move over to do what? Save the document on our desktop. Letterhead, save. And we are good to go, guys. Where is our letterhead? Yes, this is letterhead here that we have just designed in less than 3 to 5 to 10 minutes. Very beautiful. So they can use this to put in their text and letters and type letters and the rest of them. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.